History will be made in the next few seconds. Since 1894, Abbott has been pioneering heart products. Since 2010, Abbott has made high-quality heart medications available all over India. In 2012, Abbott introduced the first scaffold that dissolves over time to renew the artery. And so today, I, a 54-year-old who recently overcame a heart attack, will be the first to record a radio ad while rafting through rapids. Here we go!
For over 125 years, Abbott has helped people lead healthier, fuller lives. Abbott, life to the fullest.